Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Firstly, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Now click on this little plus at the bottom left corner. And finally, you can click on all of your photos that you wish to add over here. You can also click on gallery icon on the left. Click on your pictures over here and tap on Done at the top right corner. Or you can also click on this little gallery icon. Select folders and picked all of my images from here. To do that, hold the chosen one and tap on select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!